Good evening, guys. The last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 12th, 2024. I've already solved three puzzles: the Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. So one puzzle is left. It's the JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number, I believe, number 8180. 8180. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Alright. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. I don't know if this is really a 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah, 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. I think this puzzle is a 2 stars, maybe 3 stars. I don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Let me see. No single boxes here. Well. I see a lot of dual boxes. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here we have a dual box. Here, and there. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, here the 1 is already filled in, so this box should be a 2. Here also the 2 is given, so this box should be a 1 then. Here, do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Here the same. I need more information, insufficient information right now, so the 1 and the 2. Okay, here another dual box, 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Okay, now the next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Triple boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, here we have a triple box. We have a 3 here, so those 2 boxes should be 1 and a 2. Do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Alright. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. For quadra boxes. No quadra boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. My next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. Rotate it, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Alright, 1 or a 2. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here, rotated, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. And here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for number 1. And the 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be a 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we already have a 1 there. So the 1 is supposed to be here and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, let me mark those. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and the 5, well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in. Well, excuse me. Need to sneeze. I cannot place the 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 who supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. Then, these 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5, let me mark those 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. Alright, and now, these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place level 2 supposed to be here. So I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Okay, this box can be a 2. So the only place level 2 in this area should be here. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Let me go up. These two boxes can be a 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Shoot it in. This box can be 1. This box can be 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2 is also connected with that box. So 1 or a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Shoot it in. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 3 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3, but we already have a 3 there. So it's not the solution place the 3 there. The only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be here. Alright. Then, this box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. But also this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the only place level 2 in this area is supposed to be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box will be a 2. And this box will be a 1. 1 or a 2. We have a 2 now. So this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I marked those two boxes in with 2. We have a 2 here. So this box can be a 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Then, well, this box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Right. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. Well, need to place all the 5 there. Well. These two boxes in this area should be the 4 or a 5. 4 and a 5. 4 or a 5 is connected with that box. Should be so 4 or a 5. Well, come on. Where's the opening? The opening. Well. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, so 4 or 5. I think this box. Oh, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left for the numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. 5 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4. Because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. Alright. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, this box can be a 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, we solved it again, Told you. Can it be 4 stars? Can it be 3 stars? Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. So it should be a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Thank you for watching. And yeah, have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We'll meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow on Wednesday. Yeah. Until then, bye bye for now.